I have a KitchenAid KCMS145JSS microwave that I need to replace. Do you know of one that size that will fit my trim kit that came with it? My microwave is 11 3/4 x 22.
How old is your KitchenAid microwave?
2002.
How long has this been going on with your KitchenAid microwave? What have you tried so far?
I don't know what to try. It makes a noise but no heat.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, ma'am. I don't think so.
Thanks for counting on JustAnswer to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you.
Thanks.
Sorry to hear you are having appliance trouble. I know how frustrating that can be. Unfortunately, the trim kit for your model will not fit any of the models available now. You will need to replace the trim kit as well. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you. Thank you.
Please do. The hole in my cabinet is 28.5 inches by 15 3/4 inches. The outside dimensions of the frame kit I have was 30 by 18.
The replacement suggested is below. https://www.kitchenAid.com/major-appliances/microwave/countertop/p.2134 countertop microwave oven 1200 watt.kmcs1016gss.html. The trim kit is below. https://www.whirlpool.com/accessories/kitchen-accessories/microwave/p. 30-inch microwave trim kit for 1.62 foot countertop microwave oven.mk2160 is.html #pdp accordion where to buy. Please know you may post back at any time should you need further assistance or have follow-up questions. I am always happy to help. Thank you so much. We at JustAnswer appreciate you.
That one is expensive. Is that the only choice? That model trim kit isn't available.
The trim kit is showing in stock and there are only 3 options for KitchenAid. See link below. If you are open to other brands, I am happy to low zero OK for them. https://www.kitchenaid.com/major-appliances/microwave/countertop.html. PLP equals %253 are relevance %253 a category %253 a major appliances microwaves countertop and PLP view equals grid.
Other brands is fine.
All models available with trim kits are below. Smile https://www.ajmadison.com/b.php/counter plus top %3 optional plus built-in plus trim plus kit %3 microwave/n28 plus 429496435 plus 429496453.
The KitchenAid isn't available for delivery until December 10th.
You will likely find extended shipping times due to COVID, unfortunately. Even Amazon Prime shipping has been taking a week or more.
Is this available to pick up in a store? 75,482.
The Frigidaire packages are probably the best value. See link below. https://www.ajmadison.com/cgibin/ajmadison/mo227noof.html.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.